So we got a rainy day today. Believe it or not, this is a different blue shirt. It's darker blue. But rainy day today. We got Eddie and Laura Ann and John all working. I've been cleaning the cottage for Miss Lane Eden today because when you're sick, you don't want to live in dirty cottage. So I cleaned the cottage for her. So she's very thankful. And now I'm going to the store, into the hardware store to get some more primer and got some kitten content for y'all, but I don't know what all to do today. I've got computer work to do, so nobody wants to watch me do that. But we'll find something for you.
Caps are made on this.
Oh, you got them made?
No.
Where are those at?
They ain't completely made. They're sitting on top of that table. So.
There are the caps for our posts. Ain't those pretty? Those look great. Eddie's still painting on this roof. Still got paint on him. And that's Nova. This is almost ready to prime. Getting there. Getting real close.
You ready? Guess it's time to order new curtains. Okay, do not send us down.
Send them down,
Carl, I say it.
That way.
It's a sleepy rainy day at Hope Farm.